Hey guys, Cozy here. I'm gonna be pressing a button. Yeah, pressing under pressure, pressing this button. I think this might be the wrong one. I saw Jackson's Life do a video on this game, and it looked very different for him. So yeah, this might be cheating a little bit because I watched him do it, but he didn't complete it, and I will hopefully complete it. This might be different. Press, do not press. Okay, I won't press. It looks like it's... Oh, I'm stupid. It looks like it's repeating. No. Okay, I get what Jack's talking about. He made so many mistakes, like really easy mistakes in this video, and then in his Reddit video, everybody was like yelling at him for it. And he was like, yeah, half of your attention goes to the fact that you're actively recording a video. And so you make silly mistakes. And I see what he's talking about. I was focused on talking to you and I completely messed up. Okay, pressing under pressure. Press. Okay. It looks like it's rotating. Do not press. I won't press. Okay. Not gonna press. Same as last, which was do not press. I'm not gonna press. Look at that little mouse. He's so goofy. Remember this number, 44. Okay, 44. It's like 88 miles per hour, but half. Press and hold, okay. Cool. Always press when you see a rat. Okay. Press once per corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do not press, but I see mouse, so I'm gonna press. Bro. Press more than 5 times? Okay. Well, press when cats are even. Okay. 3 presses remaining? Okay, boom, bam, bam. What if I don't do the 3? Like, I probably can't do more than 3, but what if I do less than 3? Press once per corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because it's got 5 points and 5 indents, and those are all corners. Cats are not even, they're odd. I'm not gonna press. Buddy. Press once for each word in the sentence. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, I do have the advantage that I know a lot of these from Jack's video. I'm not quite reading it for the first time. Never press when you see a spider. Okay. Press if you're a robot. I don't think I'm a robot. Press if you like jump scares. Sure. Hello? Oh. What time is it? Happy o'clock. Buddy, it's happy o'clock, I guess. Press once per cat earlier. Oh, 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3. Oh, that's 3. No, it's not. It's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Press twice? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a cat! Can I eat it? Wait, can I cuddle it? Press once per corner. 1, 2, 3. The rotating is freaking me out. The next statement is a lie. Cool. The next command is wrong, which means the next command is right. Because it's a lie. Do press, which means this is right. So do press. I'm gonna press it, bro. Press it. Nothing you can do about it. Do not press when you see a spider. Would you kindly not press? Yeah, sure. Of course. Press to pay respect. Hell yeah. Press and hold until you see a spider. Okay. Dang it. With instinct. I saw change. Okay. Again. Round 3. Press. Do not press. Same as last. Well, the last one, just do not press. Remember, it's number 73. If you add 7 and 3, it makes 10. And 10 is like, you got 10 fingers, bro. Quickly, don't press. Okay. I'm not pressing as fast as I can. Always press when you see a rat. Okity dokity. Press once per corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do not press, but I always press when I see a rat, yes. Yes. Press more than 5 times, okay. Press when cats are even. Press twice, boom boom. Press once per corner, boom boom boom. Why did the last one just stop immediately after I pressed twice, but this one didn't stop immediately after I pressed thrice? There's 6 cats there, so it is even. Press less than 2 times? Okay, I'll press once. Why not? I could probably press 0 times, but never press when you see a spider. Press if you're a robot. I ain't a robot, bro. I ain't no robotics. Press if you like jump scares. Sure thing, buddy. What time is it? Happy o'clock, of course. Press once per cat earlier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Double press? Okay. Boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. 10 presses remaining. This is the jump scare one. Kitty cat. Press once per corner. Well, to this game, there's no corners in a circle, but some would argue that a circle has infinite corners. So this command is a lie, by the way. So the next command is right, which means I should press it. Yes, good job. Do not press when you see a spider. Would you kindly not press? Yes, I would kindly. Press to pay respect, of course. Of course. Oh, it was press. I don't know if it was supposed to press yet. I wasn't. I was supposed to wait till it said press. Sorry, I thought I was clicking in order to make the letters appear. My bad. And it's silly because I saw Jack do this very thing. Alright, let's do this again. Press. Yeah. Do not press. Okay. Same as last. Do not press. Why did that mouse appear at this point? When it doesn't even matter. 15? Okay, I can't think of anything special about 15 right now. Would you kindly not press? Of course. Always press when you see a rat. The rat's gone, bruh. Press once per corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The rotating is tripping me up. I hate it. Do not press. I'm gonna press because there's a rat there. Press once for each word in the second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sentence, not seconds. La 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 la. Press when cats are even. Will do, buckaroo. Press and hold. Okay. Oh, we did it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is there an end to this game? That's what I'm curious about. They are not even. There's 3 of them. That's not an even number. That's an odd number. You can divide that by 2. Well, you can't. It would just equal 1.5. And that's not a real number, I think they're called. I don't know. No, it's real. I don't remember what the name of those is. Never press when you see a spider. Never ever do that. Press if you're human. Okay. I think I'm human. I hope so. Let's go. What time is it? It's happy o'clock. Press once per cat earlier. 1, 2, 3. Three presses remaining. 1, 2, 3. Quickly, don't press. I'm not pressing as fast as I can, bro. 10 presses remaining. This is where the jump scare comes in. Kitty cat. Seems to always be at the 3rd press. Or not the 3rd. The 3rd to last press. Once per corner. I don't see any corners. But if you zoom in, you might see infinite corners. I don't know. But someone else would argue that each corner would have a radius of 180, and that doesn't make any sense. Boom. Look, the spider. I can't press. There's a spider there, bro. Double press. Boom, boom. Press to pay respect. Boom. Press and hold until you see a spider. Haha. This is where I got tripped up. It's gonna say release. And then there's gonna be a spider. Nope. It's gonna say stop first. And then there's gonna be a spider. 1, 2, 3. Do not press, but there's a mouse right there. I need to press. Press if you're not. Oh, press if you're a robot. Sorry guys, I'm dyslexic. I make imaginary words into things I read. It's pretty cool. Press more than 5 times. Okay, hey. P. Oh, this is the other one that tripped me up. I need to wait till it says press, and then I press. About 200 presses remaining. Okay. I don't know if I need to do all of them. I know it's going to say close enough because I watched Jack do this. But I might have to get to a certain number in order for it to actually say close enough. I have no idea, so I'm going to do as many as I can. Close enough. Cool. Boom, boom. Press and hold for longer than 2 seconds. Okay. That is 1, 2, 3. Press after halftime. Okay. We're going to the football game. Boys and girls. Oh my gosh. Am I supposed to not press because I saw the spider? I'm assuming so. Okay, good. What? Once per goal. What the frick? Yeah, Jack didn't understand this, and I don't understand it either, so I'm just gonna press a whole bunch. Oh, okay, the number. Yes, it's 15. It's not gonna ask me what it is? Press to ascend, okay. Ascending, okay. Cool, I did great, nice. Shutting down, okay. Did I win? Oh, okay. Cloud, sky. Nice. It's a rat! Wait, I need to press. I pressed. Do I press the rat? I hope pressing more than once to, oh, it's the end, okay. I won! How long did that take me? 17 minutes. Take that, Jack. Just kidding, it's because of me that I, that I won. Heck yeah, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that game. If you didn't know already, this is one of 5 videos that I uploaded today to this new channel where I do puzzles and some other games kind of like this one. If you enjoy it, there are 4 other videos on this channel already, so go watch them. There's Sudoku, Wordle, Minesweeper, and Connections from the New York Times. And then next week I'm going to be uploading another Sudoku, and I plan to upload weekly, but we'll see how that goes. Alright, and one last thing. Stay cozy.